that and view it for Western Visayas. So in a fast evolving digital age where information is constant and influence everywhere, literacy can no longer be confined in the classroom as we see. It must extend to how individuals consume, interpret, and respond to media. So this brings us to the crucial role that media and media literacy play in shaping informed, empowered, and resilient citizens. So we saw that in our exposure rate, ang online and digital newspaper was 51.4%. Pero ang printed media, in all forms, newspaper, magazine, posters, they dropped. Ang exposure rate to radio declined, while video and music streaming posted 62.6 and 58% in 2024. So because of these exposures, it will take a whole of nation approach, but teachers should help students develop the 21st century skills, including being responsible users of technology and critical consumers of media they encounter. So as posted by one teacher, do we want our students to be manipulated by media, or do we want to empower them to use media? Next slide. So you also see that the majority of our households do not own personal computers. And we see a drop to 19%. And it is important if we are going to go through, especially in education, in today's time. And majority of the households own cellular phones, which they use for entertainment probably, communications, content creation, and hopefully for their research and study. My check. Pati ang siya.